Amazon acknowledges that their commissions are not that good, so they created something called the Creator Connections program. And in here, you can sign up for contracts where you agree to promote a product in exchange for a higher than normal commission. So I accepted the offer of promoting Big Jade wireless backup camera with a 10% commission, and my obligation is to create content for this product and submit it to Amazon in order to get paid for any revenue that I drive to Amazon's site. I have to prove that I created content. So a quick and really effective, high converting way to do that is to use Roundups AI to create the content and then modify it according to your own opinion about the product. So even though it's called Roundups, you can use it to create a profile of an individual product, like this wireless backup camera. So let's do that. Let's create a content for our creator connection. So in Roundups, I'm in the Create a Roundup screen. I've got Amazon selected, and I'm going to enter keywords, which is a backup camera for truck, and click Next. And the product category is backup camera for truck. There are lots of categories, but these are for when you're choosing products to compare to one another. We already have a product picked out, so we'll just use one category, and we'll choose a informational tone, English, second person, buy now, don't display pricing, do display ratings, and we're optimizing this for WordPress. And then the output quality is coming soon. Okay, that's a new. We're still using GPT-4o, which is really good. And then we click Next. And now we're going to add our own product, and I'll place the URL of the product in the Add Your Own box and click Add Product. Now our wireless camera is in Roundups, and you can see that it is checked, so it's included and it's up here under selected products. And I'm going to click continue because that's all we need. We're not selecting a bunch of products. Okay, what should we focus on? TLDR, good. Key benefits, yes. Long-term cost benefits, analyzes how the product can save money or add value over time. Yep, because backup cameras can save you money when you don't hit things. Pros and cons, definitely what people say. Return on investment's not really appropriate. Situational benefits, how it's helpful in specific scenarios. Yup. Safety features. Yup. Problem solving. Yup. Ease of use. Yes. Durability. Yes. And travel friendliness. That's ironically kind of not appropriate here. You're not putting it in your luggage. So we will move on to the next page. Roundup gives us a bunch of headlines to choose from, and we can click more, or if we don't like these, or we can add our own. And I think because we're doing a roundup of a specific product, we want to name it in our title. So we're going to call this Big Jade wireless backup camera review. Best camera for your truck ? And we'll click Next. Now, I got to choose the actual custom radio button. So then I'll click Next. Now, in about a minute or two, we'll have a really good article in Roundups that we will then export over to the blog site, the WordPress site, and it will include our Amazon affiliate ID and a nice set of different calls to action. Now that our article is done, let's take a quick look at it. It's got a nice featured image, headline, TLDR, nice ratings of its features, good pictures, pros and cons, what people say. It's formatted nicely, ease of use, good tables, lots of white space, break stuff up, buy now button with my affiliate link attached. So we'll take this over to our blog, export to WordPress, choose our blog, click export to WordPress, and click OK. And let's go take a look. It'll be in our drafts folder, and let's take a look at it. So it'll come over in Classic WordPress, and if you click on your content and click Convert to Blocks, it'll go to Gutenberg if that is better for you. The excerpt didn't come over, so I'm going to grab the first paragraph and stick that in there. And I'm going to give it a Improve My Garage category and click Publish. And let's go take a look at it. So that table looks even better with the formatting on my site. Long-term value. I could see potentially putting a couple more buy now buttons in. So we'll change the URL to Big Jade wireless backup camera review. The other thing I like to do is jazz up my featured images. So I went over to Ideogram and I created this Big Jade wireless backup camera review featured image. And I used, if you want to copy it, I used this prompt. I put Big Jade Wireless Backup Camera Review in quotes in a bold font with a retro chrome effect, lettering with vibrant blue neon outline reminiscent of vintage diner signage. A sleek, heavy-duty pickup truck stands proudly beneath a glowing blue neon sign that reads Big Jade Wireless Backup Camera Review, evoking the spirit of classic Americana road trips. The truck gleams with polished chrome accents and durable tires designed for all-terrain adventure. It's parked on a smooth suburban driveway with a backdrop of a 2,500 square foot home with an attached garage. The soft glow of neon casts a dynamic reflection on the truck's frame. And this, I used 2x3 for my featured images. I used the 2.0 version of the Ideogram image generator. I have Magic Prompt on. I have the image type set to design, and that created this really nice image that I'm going to attach to my new article that Roundup made for me. Oops. And we'll say, put that alt tag in there and then click save, and let's take a look at our article. And we'll go back to the Creator Rewards program and we'll submit our proof. So select content type is article or blog post. Now we'll grab our URL, go over to the Creator Rewards program and submit our proof that we created content, making it possible for us to gain 10% commission rather than the usual 2 to 4. Okay, so if you want to make some affiliate income, this is a good way to do it. Use Ideogram for your featured images and Roundups AI for your quick, detailed content. Go to the Amazon Creator Rewards program and get yourself some extra commissions. Links are in the description.